Salmon, one of the healthiest foods that you can buy. Today we're going to tell you how to buy it and how to fix it. It is so simple and so delicious. The first thing about buying it, it should not smell like fish. It should smell like watermelon, or it should smell like the ocean. If it smells like that, you've got good salmon. If it doesn't, get rid of it. What's salmon good for? It will not only lower your cholesterol because it has great omega-3 fatty acids, decrease your risk of heart disease, unlike any pill can, but it is delicious. So let me show you how to make it. First thing you want to do is get the water right to the point of boiling, and then you're going to put it on a low simmer. Take the salmon, keep the skin on, and just gently place it in the water. Let the water be right over it, just like that. Immediately the salmon starts changing color, going into that nice light area. That means it's cooking. This is just water with a little bit of salt. Some people poach in wine, some people poach in butter. This is all you need to do for 10 minutes. I just like taking a little bit of extra dill and putting it in there just for flavor. That's all you need to do. It's been 10 minutes. The reason you leave the skin on there is so it makes it easier to take it out using a fish spatula, just like that. This salmon is perfectly cooked, and now it won't spoil. Do you know what I'm going to do with this salad? I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, cool it down, and put it in the common salad. Or I can have that salmon later, or I can eat it now, and you can put a little bit of lemon juice on it or something. It's ready. It's ready to eat. It's ready to cook. It's ready to cool. This is where it won't oxidize and spoil and get that fishy smell. This is the food you want to eat at least a couple times a week.